Hello friends, you must have seen a lot of great desktop setups, but I wanted to show you mine and as to how a small and cheap one can work actually. So I wanted to show you what I have already available in my home and how I made the best use of it. So let's get started with the LifeSway desk setup, and you will see all the components that I have. So let's get right into the setup. I'm using the tripod so that it can be balanced. So I'll show you slowly and steadily as to what things I have and what kind of setup I have. So I think it will be better if I put the thing on handhold, and then you will be able to like it better. So the first thing is, generally the setup is like that. So what I'm doing is that I'm using the what's the brand called? It's called the desk stand. So this is a wavy laptop stand for your normal bed uses, but I have used it as an extension to make it a little bit higher so that my neck doesn't pain. And the laptop I'm using is, if you can see, it's an Asus VivoBook with the i5 8th generation and NVIDIA GeForce. So basically this laptop is really nice. It has thin and light design, ergo lift hinge, and then nano edge display. As you can see, it's really nice and thin. So it is made by Asus VivoBook S15 is the code of this thing. And the screen that I'm using was Acer, which I bought on their online sales. It's a basic screen. I bought it for like after 500 rand discount, I got it for like 800 rands or something. And then it's a basic screen. As you can see, I have applied the HDMI port to my laptop so that and extend the same. So this is the basic screen. And then what I'm using are the Bose the Bose PC. It used to call it Companion or something like that, Bose Companion audio products, so which I bought from Incredible Connection a long time back. And this is the table lamp just to add to the things. And then this is one of my boxes where I kept some stuff. And this is the small table which I have. And this is my office laptop. Generally the office laptop is on the top connected to the screen, but just for the purpose of making the video, I have kept it down. So this is the whole setup. And then this is the new Nokia X10 which I am reviewing. So this is one of the devices I'm doing. Vivo V15 is my day-to-day smartphone, and V21 5G. It's really nice, this really nice color. And the latest one which I got is Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, of which you can see a lot of photographs on my Instagram handle. So I've kept it in the box so far. Although I have set up, the only thing is I have to transfer the WhatsApp, and then I'll be ready to use. And this is my small Morris, Memo's best friend. So basically I bought it from London, and then whenever I have some notes to keep or something like that, I just push it here, and then maybe I can do a small video on how to use it. And these are all my bullet journals, which I also got from the brand called Empire Entertainment. So I've been using them for so long. It was provided to me for the Godzilla movie. It's a pack of 4. So these are the bullet journals. I haven't started using them, the others are filled. So this is going to last me for 5-6 months. And these are my journals which are always on the desk. And this is my gratitude journal. This is a diary from Huawei. So this is my daily gratitude journal which I write. And then this is one of the keyboards that I'm using. It's a Microsoft keyboard. It's a Wi-Fi keyboard, and then it has all the buttons as well as the trackpad on the thing, which is really nice to use. And then my other one is as you already know, is my Red Dragon keyboard, which I also use. It's really nice. So this is the video that I have on my channel, that's why the music has started playing. And then this is the keyboard that I also use. I like the clicky sound of this one. That's why it got automatically connected, that's why it started playing. So this is one of the other laptops, and this is one of the lights with the LED clamp, with the clamp, which I bought from Leroy Merlin, and it's really nice to write in the dark and all. And this is the keypad, this is the mouse pad I'm using. This is a basic one from MTN, and the mouse I'm using is Logitech. It can be connected to 3 devices. So the first one is obviously office, and then second one is my personal, and third one I haven't connected to anything. So this is the Logitech M720 mouse. It's really nice. The wheel is super fast. If you press it, it moves like super fast, at the super fast speed, and then if you do it, it scrolls at slow speed, so which is really a nice feature. And then if you see the cable things, I am using this Orico electronics plug to plug my all devices, and then I have an emergency light because of load shedding, so it just power operated like this, and then it's getting charged by the solar energy. So that's it. And I have a Xiaomi repeater so that I can get a better signal. And these are my water bottles which I am currently using. I have one water bottle from Starbucks also, as well as one from a Good Com, which I have to start using once I'm done with these bottles. So this is my office laptop, and then on the side I have a desk stand where I have kept the snap ships which I have to build. So, and this is my, this is my towel from Montagu. And the best part about this is this push and slide mechanism where you can extend the table. So basically this is the table where you have seen all the unboxing videos of which I shoot. So, and this is the desk that I have. So as you can see, it's very small. So I intend to make a L-shaped desk in white color, so as to get better quality shoots and all. So let me get back to you on the screen. Let's reduce the lights a little bit so that you can see better. So so this was the Acer thing, and then I intend to change my setup from this to this Samsung smart LED smart panel, so which is going to be really nice. I have just I think this desk stand won't be able to take on the weight of this thing, so I'll have to take that screen out and then put this screen, and then let's see how the setup looks like. So that was my desk setup, and then it's connected to the power cable over here. And so this is my stand, and I wanted to also show you the chair that I'm using is Maxnomic ESL gaming chair. It has all the gaming chair benefits, as well as you can slide downwards, go backwards. It is really a nice and sturdy chair which I've been using, so I really like this chair very much. And if you see the back side of the same, it's like it has a nice design of and I've been using it for many years now. So this is my gaming chair, and if you look at the design of the chair, it's really nice in this color. So this is my setup that I have currently. So I'm going to replace this Acer with the Samsung's panel, which I have to show you. Just let me show you. So this is the panel that I'm going to use now. So let's see how the setup looks like in a separate video, or maybe I'll try to add it in this video itself. So what I'm thinking is that let's end this video and make a new video for the new setup, so that you are able to experience all the fun. So this is the symbol of Om, which I really love, and these are the Rakhis that I've got. This is also in the Om shape, and then this is Lord Ganesha in Om shape, and I really love the design, so I've kept them glued using the press stick. So these are the things that I have. And then if I show you my drawer, it will always have some of the batteries and the SD cards and some of the products like earbuds and all. and I am also using the Samsung's power bank, which I got at the S7 launch event. These things are really nice, and this is my small Typos buffalo barrel bag where I keep all my stationery items. So if you have seen, also there are a lot of pens that I have. So if you see them, so I have all these pens which are new, all from the launch events of various companies, and some of them I have bought. So these are all the pens that I keep using again and again. So I have put them into this Dell EMC Platinum Partner, which I have got from one of the events, in this stand, which is really nice in this leather threaded box, like pen stand. I really love it, and then I keep it here. And this is the microfiber cloth that I use to clean all the dust and everything. And then if you see also, because I'm wearing glasses, I have to clean my lens from time to time. So I'm using this Specsavers lens cleaner, which is available for 20 rands at the shop. And I do keep Prestic on hand, and then these are my vaccination stickers, and that's it. There is nothing so special about my desk setup, but it's really unique and handy, and then I love it very much. So that's it. And then these drawers contains all the cables and everything for charging the mobile devices and other devices which I have. So keep following the Life's Way, and then looking forward to all your comments. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. We are very near 1000 mark subscribers, so we are currently at 823 subscribers, as you can see. And then you can always comment on the channel, and then we will incorporate new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. So what I have done is that I have installed the same on the top of the desk stand, and the whole setup looks like this, which is really nice and big. So let's quickly play the video and see the quality. Let's play it here and see the quality of the same. And so this is one of my videos. As you can see, the quality is really nice. So let me make it at 1080p and then replay. So you will see the quality of the same is really nice as compared to my previous one, and this looks really big and beautiful. So for all your blogging needs, or if you want to invite me to any of the events, you can contact me. So this is the videos that you are going to see at the end of the thing. And then I'm really thankful to Thankful South Africa for sending the screen. So friends, what I accidentally discovered is that this smart Samsung smart monitor also has inbuilt speakers built into the same, which is really nice. So as you can see, I have taken the power cable of my Bose speakers out, and there is no connection of the Bose speakers here. So this is directly coming, the audio is directly coming from what you can say the monitor speaker, which are on the bottom. If I can show you. So here are the speakers that are there. So basically all the audio is coming directly from the speaker smart monitor itself, so which is really nice, and I'm really thankful to Samsung for making and building these things. So as you can see, let us see some of the videos that I have on my channel, and then maybe we'll check out let's see Samsung's unpacked event, and then so the audio is really nice. So as you can see, the audio is really nice, and you can increase the volume up and down.
And there is a QR code which we need to scan and check. So let's quickly unwrap the box and see what are the contents.
So we can quickly put the volume up and down. As you can see, it's really nice for if in case I'm not using my Bose speakers. This is really nice feature to have in a monitor. So
It's the kind of
so thank you very much Samsung for making an inbuilt speakers into the smart monitor, and that's Samsung for you, my friends. Samsung always make nice products. Thanks a lot.
card that they have created. As you
So that's Samsung for you, my friends, because Samsung always makes all these kinds of products which are really going to make you fall in love with all these devices. So thank you Samsung, thanks again. Don't forget to like and share. Bye bye. I will try to use that laptop. I'll try to use the desktop just like that, because so that all my Bose speakers and the diaries and the smartphones can be kept underneath, and then it gives me some space to slide in all the keyboards and everything. And so let's see, use this setup for some days, and then only switch to the switch it without the desk stand. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. And then I also have this keyring where it says IAMM, which is I'm a money magnet, because I follow the law of attraction. So that's why I made worded keyring. So this is it. Now you know a little more about me, and then don't forget to take us to 1000 mark subscriber. Thank you very much Samsung South Africa for sending this screen. I'll definitely use it for some time, and then let's see. Thank you, bye bye.